Cardano value equivalent to 12,411 rands a coin. The present cost range, 12.266 12.70 The earlier day close, 12.70 454. The change was 0.2043 160%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 10.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.43, while low cost 10.02. The founder middle value of cost 11.02. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.62. Change for July 16%. Cardano gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 11.62 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.42, while low cost 11.62. The found the middle value of cost 12.79. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 13.48. Change for August 16%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 13.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.40, while low cost 13.48. The found the middle value of cost 14.67. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15.33. Change for September 13.7%. Cardano estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 15.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.35, while low cost 14.21. The found the middle value of cost 15.89. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15.28. Change for October's 3%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 15.98 rands. Excessive cost 15.98, while low cost 12.52. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.14. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.46. Change for November 11.9%. Cardano figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 13.46 rands. Excessive cost 14.65, while low cost 12.73. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.63. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.69. Change for December 1.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 13.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.88, while low cost 12.94. The found the middle value of cost 13.86. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 13.91. Change for January 1.6%. Cardano gauge for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 13.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.18, while low cost 13.20. The found the middle value of cost 14 MOV. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.19. Change for February 2%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 14.19 rands. Excessive cost 15.50, while low cost 13.48. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.42. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 14.49. Change for spring 1%. Cardano estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 14.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.11, while low cost 14.49. They found the middle value of cost 15.52. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 15.99. Change for April 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 15.99 rands. Excessive cost 16.27, while low cost 14.15. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.41. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 15.21. Change for May 4.9%. Cardano gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 15.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.87, while low cost 15.21. They found the middle value of cost 16.73. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 17.64. Change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 17.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.17, while low cost 16.67. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.85. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.92. Change for July 1.6%. Cardano conjecture for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 17.92 rands. Excessive cost 19.48, while low cost 16.94. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.14. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.21. Change for August 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else, cost at 18.21 rands. Excessive cost 18.36, while low cost 1596. They found the middle value of cost 1742. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1716, change for September 58%. Cardano conjecture for October 2025, before all else cost at 1716 rands. Excessive cost 19s, while low cost 1652. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1761. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1776, change for October 35%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025, before all else cost at 1776 rands. Excessive cost 1776, while low cost 1469. They found the middle value of cost 1650. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1580, change for November 11%. Cardano figure for December 2025, initially cost at 1580 rands. Excessive cost 1939, while low cost 1580. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1728. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1812, change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 1812 rands. Exorbitant cost 1970, while low cost 1712. They found the middle value of cost 1834. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1841, change for January 16%. Cardano estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 1841 rands. Exorbitant cost 2001, while low cost 1739. They found the middle value of cost 1863. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1870, change for February 16%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 1870 rands. Exorbitant cost 2033, while low cost 1767. They found the middle value of cost 1893. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 19s and change for spring 16%. Cardano gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 19s and rands. Exorbitant cost 2259, while low cost 19s and. They found the middle value of cost 2043. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2111, change for April 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 2111 rands. Excessive cost 2111, while low cost 1834. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2007. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1972, change for May 6%. Cardano conjecture for June 2026. Before all else cost at 1972 rands. Excessive cost 2144, while low cost 1864. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1996. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2004, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 24 rands. Exorbitant cost 2179.